Hello guys, my name is Naufal farras. I'm from Surabaya. I'm 55 batch from Polytechnic Bumi Akademi and I'm majoring in technical department. In here I will explain about building how to work. Yo, welding is one of the metal joining the techniques by means of partially melting, filter metal with or without pressure, and with or without adding metal which produce a continuous connection. The scope of use of welding techniques in construction is very broad, including shaping, brakes, steel frames, pressure vessel, rapid pipes, line, and so on. The equipment needs in the welding process includes main equipment, electric current, AC/DC, electric holder, electric pliers, electric pump, welding cable, mesh cable, power cable, work safety equipment, welding mask to protect the eye from welding rays, welding gloves, safety shoes, auxiliary equipment, pliers, steel brush, crush hammer, welding table. Welding way: clean the material to be welded. Use a hammer to descale the surface of the area to be welded. Use a steel brush for maximum result. Put the material to be welded in the space provided, whether it's using a work table or just putting it on the floor. Adjust the density between the two ingredients. Use clamp if necessary. Put the welding machine on one part of the material to be welded. Insert the electrodes on the electrode clamp panel on the welding machine. Install the tilt of the electrode according to the position of the material. Usually there is a special place for the electrode slope on the electrode clamp, whether it's perpendicular to to 90 degrees, 30 or 40 degrees. After the material is ready to be welded, slowly bring the electrode tip to the material to be welded. The distance between the electrode tip and the material to be welded greatly affects the quality of the welding. If the distance is too far, there will be sparks like a shower of fire spots. The welding process will be imperfect. If the distance is too close, the fire does burn completely, and there is not enough distance for the electrode melt. A good distance is 1/8 of the thickness of the electrode. By using a protective mask or welding goggles, you can pay attention to the part of the electrode that has melted that joins the two material being welded. Slowly move the electrodes along the welded area. Good results during the welding process can be seen when the welded surface is shaped like a tight and regular wave that completely covers the welded part. Thank you for watching and attention. Don't forget to subscribe and click icon bell, like and comment so that I am always excited about making videos. See you next video, guys.